Can we go swimming again at your house, Kathy? Yeah. And so, how are we gonna make this? And this is how we write my name. A, B, and a lowercase a circle, and a stick. That picture of my name.
Do ya?
Do you remember my joke?
Now what?
The joke that I just told you. You're going to tell Ray the next time you see him.
Yeah. And Ray will tap on the phone where you are, and then he will know exactly where you are today. And guess what? I got Fairytopia at the movie.
Really? Wow, that's great.
And today is dressing day.
Oh, that's great.
Now, can we pretend this is Jessie
Of course.
and clothes day?
Sure.
We can pretend this is dressing day and closing day.
Oh, that's great. That's great.
And I got a joke for you again.
Oh, nice.
Why did the mommy cross the road all by herself?
I don't know why.
Because it went to the store outside. I made a joke. Why did the mommy cross the road all by herself? Because she went beyond the road.
Oh, buddy.
And so, how are we gonna make Alicia go to sleep without playing with her?
Where's Alicia?
And so, here's the play, Kathy.
Where's Alicia?
So,
Is she?
we're gonna make it a plan and make it the. We're gonna make it the.
Kathy's got to go.
Alicia.
Hey, Kathy,
We gotta make this. We'll make it like wings. Make it like a jumper, like a.
Alicia.
you
And a
must.
flag. Yes.
Hey, Kathy has to go. Hey, Kathy's got to hang up the phone.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, so I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Time to go.